Having one of the best beginner cameras is very important if you want to take up photography as a hobby. Whether you want to take beautiful landscape shots, take up astrophotography, or capture some great family photographs, having a capable camera can make all the difference. Our list of the best beginner cameras includes our picks of the best cameras for newcomers, including models from leading brands such as Sony, Canon, and Nikon. In this video, we have recommended the top 6 best beginner cameras that you can purchase in 2024. If you are interested in learning more about these products, we have included links in the description box below where you can find the best deals. Let's get started. Number 6, Sony ZV E10. If you're a beginner who is interested in content creation rather than photography, then the Sony ZV E10 is an ideal camera for you. This camera is designed primarily for video use, although it can also take photos. It has many features that make it a great choice for vlogging and creating content for social media platforms. The Sony ZV E10 is a compact and lightweight camera that is easy to handle and carry around. It is built primarily for video use, which is why it doesn't have a mode dial on the top. Instead, it has a dedicated video record button, which makes it easy to start and stop recording. The camera is also designed with a comfortable grip, making it easy to hold for extended periods. One of the standout features of the Sony ZV E10 is its microphone. It has an extra-large microphone with a clip-on muffler that performs better than the microphones on most cameras. The camera also has a range of audio controls that allow you to adjust the levels and settings to get the best sound quality possible. The camera has Sony's excellent autofocus system, which is crucial for keeping your videos locked onto your subjects. It also has a real-time autofocus tracking system that allows you to keep your subjects in focus even when they're moving around. This feature is particularly useful for vlogging and creating content on the go. Although the Sony ZV E10 doesn't have in-body image stabilization, it does have a range of image stabilization features that help to reduce camera shake and produce smoother footage. It also has a range of creative filters and effects that you can use to enhance your videos and photos. One of the great advantages of the Sony ZV E10 is that it uses the Sony E-mount, which means it has access to an enormous number of both Sony-made and independent lenses. This allows you to customize the camera to your specific needs and preferences. Additionally, the camera has an appealing price tag, making it a great option for beginners interested in content creation. Number 5, Fujifilm XS20. The Fujifilm XS20 is an exceptional camera that is ideal for beginners looking for a camera that they can use for an extended period. While it is the most expensive camera in this guide, it offers the same photo quality and beginner-friendly design and handling as the XS10. The camera's simplified dials make it easy for learners to operate, while also offering enough manual control to keep you interested as your creativity and skills grow. One of the most notable features of the Fujifilm XS20 is its much better video performance and battery life compared to the XS10. It also offers an enhanced auto-shooting mode that automatically detects and tracks subjects while selecting scene settings based on what you're shooting. This feature makes it easy to capture vivid and stunning images without much effort. Additionally, the camera's image quality is reliably good, thanks to Fujifilm's proven 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor. If you're planning to shoot videos, the XS20 is an excellent choice, as it features 6K/30p 4:2:210-bit recording that won't hold you back. However, it would have been great if Fujifilm had weather-sealed the XS20 for added protection. Despite being a significant investment for casual content creators, the Fujifilm XS20 comes with a range of impressive features such as in-body image stabilization and a dedicated vlog mode with easy presets. These features make the Fujifilm XS20 an excellent first hybrid camera that you can use for a long time to come. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 EOS 250D. The Canon EOS Rebel is a DSLR camera that offers a range of features that make it stand out from other cameras in its price range. While it is not the most budget-friendly option, its additional features make it worth the extra cost. One of the most impressive features of this camera is its Canon 24.1 MP APS-C sensor. This sensor produces high-quality images, making it an excellent choice for photographers who want to capture stunning images. Additionally, the camera has a fully articulated touchscreen display that makes live view shooting a breeze. The touchscreen display is also very responsive, making it easy to navigate the camera's various settings. Another feature that sets the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 EOS 250D apart from other DSLRs is its dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system. This feature allows for fast and accurate autofocusing, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. The autofocus system works well in both live view and viewfinder modes, making it easy to capture clear and sharp images. The camera's fully articulated touchscreen display is another standout feature. The touchscreen is very responsive and easy to use, making it simple to navigate the camera's various settings and menus. The touchscreen is also fully articulating, which means it can be rotated to any angle, making it ideal for shooting from difficult angles. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 EOS 250D is also capable of shooting 4K videos. However, it does have some limitations, and if you are looking for a camera specifically for video performance, a mirrorless camera like the Sony ZV E10 may be a better choice. Even though DSLR technology may be on the decline, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 EOS 250D is still an excellent choice for photographers looking for a high-quality camera that offers a range of features. Additionally, this camera is an excellent value, particularly since it is compatible with Canon's older and less expensive EF mount lenses. Number 3. Nikon ZFC. The Nikon ZFC is a camera that offers excellent capabilities. While other cameras are more capable and cheaper than this one, the Nikon ZFC has a quality that sets it apart from others. It has an intangible quality that makes you want to shoot with it, which is essential when you're learning photography. The camera's external retro design is beautiful and looks like an old film camera. It's a joy to use, and you'll love the feeling of holding it in your hands. The camera's internal technology is the same as the Nikon Z50, which is a great beginner camera, but the Nikon ZFC has more advanced features, such as the fully articulating screen, unlike the Nikon Z50's tilting screen. The Nikon ZFC has a 20.9 MP APS-C sensor, which may not have the highest number of pixels, but it still captures beautiful images that are full of detail. The camera can shoot continuous bursts at up to 11 frames per second, allowing you to capture fast-moving objects. Moreover, it can record crisp 4K 30p video, where the articulating screen makes it easier to use while filming. One of the camera's strongest features is the excellent autofocus system that provides face and eye detection, ensuring that your shots are always sharp. With this feature, you won't miss your subject's eyes, which are the most crucial part of a portrait. The Nikon ZFC is an excellent starter camera that will grow with you as your skills develop. The camera's retro design may give the impression of a prestigious camera, but it's a great entry-level camera. So, don't be fooled by the looks of this camera. The Nikon ZFC is a great camera that will inspire you to shoot and capture beautiful moments. Number 2. Olympus OMD M10 MK4. The Olympus OMD is an outstanding entry-level camera that comes equipped with a vast array of features that can significantly enhance your photography skills, allowing you to take your photography to the next level. This camera is packed with features that will help you to grow your photography skills and develop your craft. One of the most impressive features of this camera is its in-body image stabilization that compensates for camera shake when taking both stills and videos, resulting in sharper photos and smoother footage. The camera uses a micro Four Thirds sensor that is physically smaller than full-frame and APS-C sensors, but still boasts 20 MP of resolution, producing stunning image quality. This sensor can capture images with vivid colors and excellent clarity, which is why it's no surprise that images taken with this sensor have appeared on double-page spreads and magazine covers. The smaller sensor size of this camera also allows for compact camera bodies and lenses, which makes it an ideal travel companion. Unlike APS-C, where the cameras are small but lenses are often still big, this means you can have a much smaller kit bag with less weight than an APS-C setup or more kit for the same weight. This feature makes it easy for photographers to carry all the necessary equipment while on the go, without the added strain of heavy equipment. In addition to its impressive sensor and image stabilization capabilities, this entry-level camera also boasts 4K video capability, meaning that it can capture footage with incredible detail and clarity. The camera also comes with a tilting touchscreen that flips 180 degrees, making it perfect for capturing selfies or presenting vlog style to the camera. Moreover, it has the best camera app to transfer images to your phone via Wi-Fi, which makes it easy to share your images with friends and family. Overall, the Olympus OMD M10 MK4 is an excellent camera that is packed with features that will help you take your photography skills to the next level. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, this camera is perfect for beginners and experienced photographers alike. Number 1. Canon EOS R100. The Canon EOS R100 is a top-of-the-line camera designed specifically for beginners, offering a wide range of features to help you capture stunning photographs with ease. The camera boasts straightforward controls and menus that guide you through the modes, making it easy to understand how the camera works. One of the most notable features of this camera is Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system, which is typically found in professional DSLRs. This system includes face tracking and eye detection for photographs, ensuring that you always capture sharp and focused shots even when you are busy adjusting settings or composing your shot. The autofocus system is incredibly accurate, allowing you to capture even the most challenging shots with ease. The camera features a 24.1 MP APS-C sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality with great detail and clarity. Additionally, the camera's RF mirrorless mount is home to some of the most advanced lenses on the market, providing you with an excellent selection of lenses to choose from. Moreover, the camera is compatible with the best Canon DSLR lenses via an adapter, making it a versatile choice for photographers. The Canon EOS R100 is the most affordable mirrorless offering from Canon, making it an excellent choice for those who are just starting with photography. However, if you are looking to shoot videos, it is essential to be aware of a few compromises. For instance, the camera's screen is fixed and it doesn't support touch input, which may be a drawback for some. Moreover, 4K suffers a crop and the dual-pixel AF is lost, which reverts to a slightly choppier contrast AF. If you are looking for a camera that can shoot 4K videos and has dual-pixel AF, you may want to consider the slightly pricier Canon EOS R50. However, if your focus is on learning photography, the Canon EOS R100 is an excellent choice that has everything you need to get started. Here are the best beginner cameras. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or ideas for our next review or just want to chat, feel free to drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and catch you on the flip side. Peace out.